Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video guys, we are making garlic parmesan chicken in white wine cream sauce with spinach. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we are going to score chicken breast in a rectangle pattern. It's called scoring or cross-hatching the chicken. This technique involves making shallow cuts in the surface of the chicken in a crisscross pattern to help the chicken to cook more evenly and to create a decorative pattern on the surface, just like this guys. So here we are using 2 chicken breasts. We're going to go ahead and season with salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder on both sides. Next, take 1 chicken breast and coat it lightly with flour on both sides. Make sure guys the chicken is evenly coated with flour. Shake to remove excess flour, then repeat the same process with the remaining chicken breast until all are coated with flour. Next, so here I have oil heating up in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasoned chicken breast to the skillet and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until browned. So how is everyone doing today guys? You might be wondering why I'm coating the chicken with flour. By doing so, it helps to create a crispy outer layer when it is cooked. The flour helps to absorb any moisture on the surface of the chicken, which allows it to brown more easily when it is cooked. The coating also creates a barrier that helps to seal in the natural juices of the chicken, making it more flavorful and moist. After 3 minutes, flip the chicken and cook it for another 3 minutes. Now we're gonna go in with chicken broth. We're gonna cover with the lid and allow the chicken to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken broth has reduced to half. Now remove the lid and flip the chicken. As you can see guys, the chicken broth has reduced to half now. It's time for us to add white wine. After adding the wine, we're gonna reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're gonna cover with the lid until all the juices have reduced slightly. The next thing we are going to do, we're gonna add chopped onions. We're gonna cook them until they are soft and translucent. Cover the pot with the lid and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Normally it takes onions 5 minutes to cook through. Add garlic, then we're gonna stir around the onions and garlic. Next, we are going to add spinach. As you know, guys, spinach adds flavor. Spinach has a mild, sweet taste that can add depth or flavor to a dish. It also provides nutrients, adds color and texture. We're gonna saute the spinach until it's wilted. The spinach is gonna add a vibrant green color to this dish, guys, making it visually appealing. The next thing we are going to add is heavy whipping cream. It adds richness and creaminess to this dish. Also, it is going to make the sauce thicker and more velvety and add a smooth and silky texture to this sauce. Cook stirring for 2 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add Parmesan cheese. Cook for 1 minute and your chicken is done, guys. This dish is a savory and creamy chicken dish that is cooked in a white wine and garlic Parmesan cream sauce and topped with fresh spinach. The chicken is cooked to perfection, tender and juicy, and the sauce is rich and flavorful. The addition of spinach provides a pop of color and a nutritious boost to the dish. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There you have it, garlic Parmesan chicken in white wine cream sauce with spinach. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments down below. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. I can't wait to try it, guys. This garlic Parmesan chicken in white wine cream sauce with spinach pairs well with pasta, rice, mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or garlic bread. Let's dig in, guys.